Hello. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to double up flat and truck driver. Alright, so let me set this camera up. Alright, today, teach you how to do double ups and truck drivers. That's not a truck driver, that's a truck driver. Start with the double ups. Double ups, obviously you have to be able to whip catch first, like a high one. Yeah, I'll show you. Should at least be able to do this. Sorry, that was weird. But at least that high. If you can get that high, then you should be able to double it, but be able to at least get around like there. And the way I learned double ups is from just like, if I'm just in here, I'm just randomly seeing my deck around. And then eventually I learned off of curbs and then just did it flat. So I'll show you how to do it. You gotta kick pretty hard. Alright, now I'm gonna teach you how to truck. First, you gotta be able to 360. If you have a good scooter, then you should be able to 360. And you gotta be able to bar, spin, catch, because if you can't catch the bar, then after you land, you might just fall and let go of the scooter. I'd practice 180 barring first, 180 bar catches, then try like 270 bar maybe. And if you can do that, then you just throw it. And double ups are different from truck drivers. Truck drivers, you would want to learn more flat. Double ups is like off ledges and curbs first and then flat. It's hard to do it off ledges. Yep. Okay. I messed that one up. Let me do another. Alright, there you go. So that's how you truck driver and double whip. Comment, subscribe, and suck my dick.